What up, guys? Back with another video, and today we got another farm vlog here. We're gonna be splitting up some of this wood here. Already cut some of it up. Got that other tree to cut up. I'm gonna see how much we can get split up of this tree, and then we'll work on cutting that other log up. There's gonna be a lot of like wood splitting and cutting some wood off, because like I said before, the whole entire fence line has to get wood cut off of it and chopped up. So we're gonna restock on some wood this year. And I hope you guys kind of enjoy these little farm vlogs. There's going to be a lot of them. Here's a log splitter. Old 13 ton John here. Gets the work done. So.
"2,000 years later."
Alright guys, I don't really know exactly what kind of tree this is. I'm trying to learn my different trees and stuff. I think it's black walnut, but if you guys could leave a comment down below if you guys know exactly what it is. Here's the bark of it. Let me grab a piece of what the bark looks like. I want to say it's black walnut, but like I said, let me know guys in the comments. I'll probably ask a couple more times because I got some other trees up there. Pretty sure there's cherry, walnut, probably some white ash, but we'll get to that, and I'll keep asking you guys that question. This is what it looks like split up. If anybody wants to see if that's black walnut or not, I mean, that's what I think it is, but let me know, like I said, guys. I'll have you guys identifying a lot more wood than that, so be prepared. This is our barn wood down here. We have fires at the barn. I already took a load up to the patio, which as you see, we got still pretty much 2 more trees there that are gonna need split up. So we're gonna have a lot more wood in the woods. A lot of logs that need to come out for this year. So pretty much stacked up on wood. Pretty much we're pretty well stacked on wood this year. Got a lot of pine that I need to get split up for burning wood, for having fires and stuff, pretty much. See if I can get this to sit. I don't know if this is all gonna fit down here. Alright guys, so that's day one of the log in here. We got like half of this tree done, still about another half of it right there. This whole tree still gotta go. And I was planning on, I think I'll just do 2 days here because we're gonna pull out some more trees up in the woods. So after I get the 20 trees that are in the woods down here, it'll be a complete whole process going on. We got a pile over there, it's good for the barn. I gotta take probably gonna take most of these trees up to the patio because that's where we hang out most of the time for fires. But yeah, that's gonna do it for day one of the log in here. So if you guys also, like I said before, if anybody knows how to identify or like what this tree is, let me know. And leave a comment down below, hit that like button, hit that sub button. I'll see you guys next video. I'm out of here. Peace.